Hello everyone, my name is Mamta. I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of Triveni Institute of Divine Science. So we were exploring all about Goddess Lakshmi and in her stories of birth and how everything is this creation and our routine is related to Goddess Lakshmi. Today we are exploring a very interesting story about Tirupati Balaji in which Lakshmi was born as Padmavati. So it continues from the previous two videos. The story is same, but in continuation. So in last video, we explored when she took birth, when she appeared in Kolhapur place of Maharashtra. So when she was there doing tapasya into that place, Kolhapur, knowing about her stay on Bhuloka, Lord Vishnu decided to get her back to Vaikuntha and he came on earth in the form of Srinivas in Venkatam Hills. These hills are also known as Tiruvenkat Hills in the southern Andhra Pradesh. He was born to a woman named Vakula Devi. She was the mother Yashoda in Dwapar Yuga, whom Krishna gave boon that he would be born from her in next birth. So to fulfill that, he came as Srinivasa from her. And Tirupati was also the place where Adi Varaha, the boar incarnation of Lord Vishnu, rested and taught Karma Yoga to people till the beginning of Kali Yuga. So this birth of Srinivas happened in Kali Yuga. And there Lord Vishnu started chanting the name of goddess Mahalakshmi for the purpose of tapasya and to get her back. Now Bhudevi then incarnated in the form of Princess Padmavati as the daughter of Akash Raj, the king of mountains. That was to fulfill a boon actually. So one day Srinivas saw Padmavati and decided to marry her. When he approached the king with the proposal to marry Padmavati, the king kept a condition of huge dowry. Now Srinivasa took loan from Kubera to marry Padmavati. Srinivas got a mountain of gold from Kubera with the promise of returning one day at the end of Kali Yuga. Lord Vishnu and Padmavati are being worshipped at Tirupati and still repaying the loan back to Kubera. In Kali Yuga, worshipping them at Tirupati is the easiest and simplest way to get blessing for huge money, gold, and prosperity. According to the Brahmand and Bhavishyotter Purana, Lord Venkateshwar means supreme God who destroys the sin of the people in this material world. So when we say Venkat and Ishwar, this means sins, the destroyer, and the supreme God. Also can say or the person or the God who keeps the troubles away. Adi Shankaracharya came to Tirumala and placed Sri Chakra at the lotus feet of Lord Venkateshwar and sung the famous song Bhaja Govindam. So it's famous from here. Mahalakshmi was then doing tapasya in Kolhapur. When she came to know about Lord Vishnu staying on earth and marrying, she approached him in Venkat Hills. Both Lakshmi and Padmavati are the consorts here with Lord Venkateshwar in Tirupati temple, and the mother Vakula Devi became the garland. So this was the interesting story, and the catch is since Lord Varaha uh, did lot of stay over here and did tapasya and rested for after that. This place is related to Rahu. So if in astrology chart Rahu is behaving very malefic, or Lakshmi like as a goddess of wealth, or the promises of wealth in your chart is not much, or there are troubles in your life which are putting obstacles into your wealth achievement, then this place is the best for worshipping and getting that blessing and getting all those problems removed from your life. And there is a saying in astrology that if there is a Rahu in seventh house or in a partner's house, then worshipping at Tirupati and making Tirupati Balaji as your partner, like giving a certain percentage as a promise from your income always to Tirupati Balaji, removes all the problems of getting cheated from the partner or being partnership broken or coming obstacles into a business or partnership. So thank you for being with me, and I'm sharing this more about Goddess Lakshmi in coming videos. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for the updates.